green belt form, green belt Taekwondo form, Taegeuk forward, Taegeuk Sa Jang. We're gonna learn it now. I'll face this way and I'll explain it first and then I'll go through it all and you can follow along. Sound good? You can do this and we'll do one steps, terminology, break. We'll have some fun. Here we go. My name's Jason Jacobs. We have Caden. We have Kinsey, two of my top students and one of my favorite top students behind the camera. That is Connor. Thank you, Connor, for doing this. Shout out to Connor. Ready? Chimbi. Taegeuk Sa Jang, the intermediate forms. Here we go. Double knife hand and spear hand. Follow along with us. Double knife hand, spear hand. So this is a front stance. The other one was a back stance. Front stance. And you got a knife hand and an upper block. And now it's going to be front kick, reverse punch, cup and saucer, side kick with the back leg, side kick, double knife hand. This is a back stance. Now I'm going to scoot back so you can see me. Turn, three-quarter turn. Notice that comes up a lot. And we have a reverse, a block like this in back stance. Front kick, step back block. Turn, block, front kick, step back block. Now, left foot comes up like this. You're going away from your screen now. You can kind of look back. That's how I was doing it. And now front kick, back fist comes like this. Now this part gets a little confusing. We go high stance, outside in, block, punch. Turning this way, outside in, block, punch. Now this way, very explosive, low front stance. Block, double punch, block, double, hair! You can do it. Now you're gonna follow along. Chimbi. Taegeuk Sa Jang all the way through. Follow along with us, okay? I'm watching you on the screen. Ready, Shijak? Close the hand there. Yeah! Kind of messed up at the end. Baro. All right, there we go. Taegeuk Sa Jang. We're going to do it again. Let's do it again. Follow along with us. Chimbi. Ready? Go. How'd you guys do? All right, let's do one steps next, 16 through 20.